Yo, what up? Alright, now we doing Iayze, Jace, uh, this the no auto. I don't really know how to I tried like the ad libs good as hell. Like the ad libs they good as hell. Like I don't really mess up on ad libs, but like vocals they're not that they're not bad. Like they're not bad at all, but like I feel like they don't match as well. It's BANDLAB, so whatever. But look,
That boy sad as hell, need to stick to rapping on Pro Tools. I be sliding on my eyes, bitch, I'm a pro with the tool.
try to make it copy. I don't know. Shoot that man. Used to shoot at my locals. Now I'm making a song, but I don't go fuck like look at my vocals. Marion, I really go send this shit like send a nigga to a portal. Nigga thought he was all dead, but watch that nigga, he not no mortal. See, the ad-libs, you see what I'm talking about? The ad-libs fire. Ad-libs fire, bro. Anyway. Oh yeah, I have the ad-libs. I have the auto-tune like halfway. Like, I don't know. You have it like off, but like never have it all the way up. Don't have it past 50. Like, don't have it past 50. If you're using this preset, But, yeah, that's about it. Hey, ain't no talking in this bit. Hey, bit. Shoot that. Shoot that, man. Used to shoot at my locals. Now I'm making a song, but I don't go fuck like look at my vocals. Marion, I really go send this shit like send a nigga to a portal. Nigga thought he was all dead, but watch that nigga, he not no mortal. Ain't no mortal, bitch. That ain't bad. The ad-libs ain't bad. Ain't no mortal, bitch. But yeah, that's it. Peace.